How to apply for student finance in Australia 2024. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in Australia. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Be an Australian citizen or hold an eligible visa. Enrolled in an approved course at an eligible education provider. Meet the residency and academic progress requirements. Step 2. Gather required documents. Have the following information ready: tax file number or TFN, proof of identity, passport, birth certificate, etc. Information on your course and institution. Bank account details for payments. Step 3. Create a myGov account. If you don't already have one, create a myGov account. 1. Visit myGov. 2. Follow the prompts to register. 3. Link your account to the Australian Taxation Office or ATO to access financial services. Step 4. Log in to your myGov account and access Centrelink. Once you have created your myGov account, log in to your myGov account. Link Centrelink to your myGov account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Centrelink section to access student finance option. Step 5. Apply for youth allowance, Austudy or Abstudy, depending on your age, study level, and background. You can apply for Youth Allowance for students aged 18 to 24, Austudy for students aged 25 and above, Abstudy for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander students. Select the appropriate financial assistance type. Fill in the application form with accurate details about your course, living situation, and income. Step 6. Provide supporting documents. After submitting your application, you may be asked to provide additional documents such as proof of enrollment, recent bank statements or payslips, any other documents requested by Centrelink. Upload the documents to your myGov account or submit them in person at the Centrelink office. Step 7. Track your application. After completing your application, check your myGov account regularly for updates. You may be contacted if more information is needed or for an interview. Step 8. Receive your outcome. Once your application is processed, you will receive a notification on whether your student finance application was successful. The payments will be directly deposited into your nominated bank account. Step 9. Keep your details updated. Throughout your studies, ensure that you keep your details, course, address, income updated in myGov. Report any changes in circumstances to avoid issues with your payments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has made your student finance journey a little easier and filled you with confidence to take that next step. Remember, every dream starts with a decision, and today you have made the choice to invest in yourself. As you embark on your educational adventure, always keep this in mind. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Don't ever doubt your potential, because you are destined for greatness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to help you succeed on your path. Together, we are building something magical. Wishing you all the best on your journey. Till next time, stay inspired, stay positive, and remember, you've got this.